This course is delivered blended, but it is mainly online. Students only come 6 Saturdays a year for laboratories to give them some hands-on skills as part of the program. The students are assessed a lot on projects. As much as we can, try to give them something that's contextualized to their own company. We also have some laboratories when they come on site, so we do some assessment. Now they do have one exam on the Six Sigma module because it's a bit more theoretical. They also have a 20 credits project that they start from September. That's really hands-on, and that is applied to their employer. Is they have to take something in their company that they can improve and demonstrate the improvement through their project. The course is more on the digital manufacturing side, so they will have modules like cloud computing, data visualizations, decision theory. They will also look at advanced manufacturing systems, where they will look at, for example, cobots on mobile platforms. They'll, of course, do some modules in lean engineering and Six Sigma engineering that are very important for manufacturing engineers. That's process improvement. So people working in the manufacturing industry that would have a level 7 in manufacturing. So we have apprentices in manufacturing engineering in industry at the moment, and that might be interesting in this program. But we would have, for example, mechanical engineers that might be working in manufacturing setting and might be interested in getting a level 8. The progression opportunities for this program would be an MEng, either taught or by research. The career opportunities for this program would be really typically a manufacturing engineer, but these students will have an edge on other people because of the kind of digital manufacturing side. That might give them an edge on a more traditional manufacturing engineering program.